In this question, you're given that x power y is equal to y power x. You're asked to find dy by dx. So this is very simple question. So you can apply log on both sides. So if you apply log on both sides, you get y log x is equal to x log y. Right? Y log x is equal to x log y. So once you apply log, now let us differentiate this on both sides. So y times log x's differentiation is 1 by x plus log x times the differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to x times differentiation of log y is 1 by y dy by dx plus log y times differentiation of x is 1 plus log y. This implies if you bring the terms containing dy by dx onto one side. So dy by dx times log x minus x by y is equal to log y minus y by x. Log y minus y by x. So this implies dy by dx is equal to log y minus y by x divided by log x minus x by y. So if you want to take the LCM, you can also take them. So that is equal to x log y minus y divided by y log x minus x into y by x. So x log y minus y by y log x minus x times y by x is the differentiation. If you want to further simplify this, you can do, but can stop here. So this is one way in which you can do the differentiation of this. So the next way in which you can do this differentiation is, you can think of this as an implicit function. And think of it as an implicit function, that is x power y minus y power x is equal to 0. So if you have an implicit function, we know that dy by dx is equal to minus of dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y, right? This is a shortcut formula that we have seen. That is equal to minus of the differentiation of this function assuming y as a constant. So if you assume y as a constant, in the first function the power, the exponent is a constant, so you have y times x power y minus 1, right? Minus, in this expression if you assume y as a constant, the base is a constant, so you get y power x log y as the differentiation divided by, so in the denominator you have to differentiate with respect to y, assuming x as constant this time. If you assume x as constant power y, the differentiation is x power y, right? So x is constant, x power y log x power y log x is the differentiation, minus here if you assume x as constant, which is variable power constant, the differentiation is x into y power x minus 1. So this is the differentiation dy by dx if you apply the formula dy by dx is equal to minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. So if you can simplify this, so what happens if you simplify this? So that is equal to so if you take 1y and 1x as common here, so minus of y by x times, we take y as common, you get x power y minus 1 minus y power x minus 1 log y divided by, if we take x as common, you get x power y minus 1 log x minus y power x minus 1 as the answer. So both of these answers are right. So this is in one form, this is in other form. So if you're asked to prove that dy by dx is equal to some quantity, so depending on which of these expressions are given, you can think of different methods. So theoretically, if you simplify this expression, you get the same answer as this. For example, if you take y power x here, because y power x is equal to x power y, if you substitute this with x power y, and now if you take x power y as common, x power y minus 1 as common, you might get this form. So you can think of simplifying this, how to simplify this to get this form. So I will encourage you to bring this into this form by some manipulations using the condition given in the function.